Still on leading the learning environment, assignment 3, effective strategies for fostering a positive learning environment in elementary schools. Introduction. A primary motivation for people to behave as they do is the need to belong socially to a group and to have relevance. A positive learning environment for young students is created when students are recognized and accepted by their peers and their teachers, and studies reveal that in such environments, students perform better academically and tend to have fewer behavioral issues. The main terms that should be taken into consideration as far as this work is concerned: effective strategies, fostering positive learning environment. What is it all about? This is a strong relationship between students or the pupils, since it's elementary. The teachers and parents promote a safe and peaceful environment where teaching and learning is considered to be an important focus. Now, why create a positive learning environment? A positive classroom environment helps improve attention, reduce anxiety, and support emotional behavioral regulations of elementary pupils. Components of positive learning outcome: we have organizational quality, and under it, there is preparedness of all the parties for the young students' entry. There is also the space and the resources. The next point is invitational quality. Under it, we have opportunities to participate and learn from work experiences, interaction patterns and student inclusion, and student agency and engagement. The third aspect is pedagogical quality, and the things that should be taken note under it: autonomy, supportive environment, and enhancing the students' reflective capabilities. Let us look at now some considerations or strategies in creating positive learning environment. The first is the physical, and under physical, we are taking into consideration the space, the lighting, the seating, the audio. We also need to take into consideration air quality and flexibility, not leaving out temperature, which has been discussed in the other paper. There is also the aspect of accessibility. Remember, we have talked about lighting, we have talked about audios, we have talked about videos. There is also the next aspect on the strategy, which is emotional. And under emotional, we have to take into consideration positive behavior that supports the elementary school pupils. There is also cultivating relationships and communication that facilitates the emotional aspect. Also, there is the celebrating diversity and the inclusion. We celebrate the children in their diversity, in their different areas that they are coming from, and even include them in all the affairs of the school, the activities of the school, so that they know that they belong. There is also the facility management and safety. Then we have the third major aspect, which is motivational, that is empowering. Pupils' voice and engagement should be taken into consideration as far as this aspect is concerned. We also have the educational, which constitute professional development and support, especially for the teachers. When the teachers are well taken, they have studied very well their educational background, they will be able now to help cultivate this environment for the elementary school students or pupils. There is also the clear and shared vision and classroom management, which should be taken into consideration. Conclusively, when the above strategies are taken into consideration and elementary administrators and teachers put them into practice in their respective institutions, then a positive learning environment will be put in place.